What's the meaning of chunky? Chunky. Chunky.
Chunky. Chunky. The term chunky typically refers to something that is thick or has a visibly heavy texture. It can refer to food, such as soup or salsa, that has large pieces or chunks of ingredients, or it can describe items like jewelry or shoes that have a bulky appearance. When used in fashion, chunky often refers to knitwear that has a thick and heavy texture. Overall, the word chunky evokes a sense of weightiness and substantiality, whether in terms of physical appearance or texture.